Shopping experience has always been a great experience in IKEA, inspiring, fun and supporting the many to create a better everyday life at home. Today, we also ensure a strong, safe shopping experience.
Daily health checkups, protective face screen, a bag with hand sanitizer. All safety needs are provided to our co-workers.
Strong social distance practices are implemented from the time you enter the store to the time you exit the store.
Yep, that is 2 meters.
We have placed contactless sanitizers at various parts of our store.
Protective screens are installed in key areas for minimal contact.
For additional safety, we are limiting the number of people in the store.
Kids below 10 years, pregnant women, and people above 65 years of age, please stay at home.
Online first, with our delivery contactless offer and with our new click and collect service. People can buy from home our products and collect them from the IKEA store parking with a safe, digital and contactless experience. We at IKEA, with our sustainable and affordable range of products, will inspire and support people to create healthy homes, to have happy homes. See you soon in IKEA.